folks, Rachel Fedor here, Realtor with Ideal Real Estate, and today we're viewing a serene residential lot located at 1034 View Ridge, Marion, Montana. McGregor Ridge is an exciting new gated community featuring paved access situated at the western edge of Marion and just a fraction of a mile from the public boat launch at gorgeous McGregor Lake. This 4.74 acre lot is equipped with power and will have a brand new septic system installed this year. With a delightful blend of diverse terrain and trees, you'll find incredible building opportunities along with stunning mountain views to the southwest. Conveniently located midway between Kalispell and Libby, this community offers a prime location. McGregor Lake is home to the region's top attractions, ranging from ice fishing derby to refreshing mountain water scuba diving. Plus, enthusiasts enjoy skydiving in Lost Prairie, only minutes away. Marion, Montana is situated approximately 25 minutes west of Kalispell in Glacier Country. Thank you for joining me. I'm Rachel Fedor, Realtor with Ideal Real Estate. Phone number 406-249-9839. Please don't miss this incredible opportunity. Give me a call today.